Guys, look! Cacti! There's a giant one right there in front of us. And they are, come on! Not building. Nature! Not truck, I meant. Nature. And even civilization. Within nature. And a fence, too. Look, another cactus. There's a bunch of cacti before. But there's not much anymore. There's still that truck, like, diagonally from us. So yeah, this is like a short video. Oh, come on, another one. Okay, guys, I think I did. Oh, come on. No, nature, okay. I like trucks. Okay, so, yeah, guys, I think I'd end this video with this truck disturbing us. But anyway, let's see cacti and stuff. Okay then, bye guys.